Welcome to Equity and Ag, your daily recap of the stock market and agricultural futures. Let's break down what moved the markets. Stocks kicked off the week on a strong note, shaking off last Friday's sluggish finish. The S&P 500 pushed higher by 0.5% and made another run at the 7,000 level, but came up just short, closing at 6,976. The Dow Jones climbed 1%, while the Nasdaq added 0.6%. Investors are gearing up for a busy stretch of economic data and corporate earnings as Jobs Week gets underway. One of the biggest headlines came from Elon Musk, who announced that SpaceX will merge with his AI company, XAI. Musk framed the move as a long-term strategy linking rockets, satellites, artificial intelligence, and data infrastructure. While the full impact remains unclear, the deal reinforces the high-growth narrative surrounding Musk's companies and keeps speculation alive about SpaceX's eventual IPO. Disney was also in focus after reporting quarterly results. Higher costs and weaker-than-expected profits pushed the stock down more than 7%. However, Disney's Parks and Experiences division stood out, delivering record revenue of $10 billion with higher attendance and increased spending per guest. Reports suggest the head of Disney's parks business is emerging as a leading candidate to succeed CEO Bob Iger. Precious metals pulled back sharply after a strong rally. Gold prices dropped near $4,700 per ounce following a steep sell-off late last week, while silver also remained under pressure despite a modest rebound. The move appears tied to a stronger dollar, shifting expectations around Federal Reserve leadership and forced liquidations after an extended rally. Elsewhere in the markets, oil prices continued to slide as geopolitical risks eased and a broader commodities sell-off deepened. Bitcoin hovered near $78,000, with analysts noting the broader downtrend remains intact. Looking ahead, investors are watching closely as earnings continue to roll in. Updates are expected from major names across tech, healthcare, consumer brands, and semiconductors, while the partial government shutdown delays some key labor market data. In summary, stocks started the week higher, led by gains in the Dow, while investors digested major corporate news, shifting commodity prices, and an active earnings calendar. Thanks for watching Equity and Ag. We'll be back with another market recap as the week continues. Disclaimer: the content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal,